let's go ahead and start tonight's homework. This is for worksheet 1, and we are doing your homework tonight exactly the way we did our notes. So let's go ahead and start that. So the directions are going to say to identify the following for each of the following problems. Sketch the graph below the problem. And I want vertical, horizontal, stretch, compress factor, max and min reflect, all of that. It's all there. It's still exactly the same. Okay? So let's go ahead and do this. Maybe. I give you y equals 0.0035, x plus 1 quantity squared minus 1. Okay? So 0.0035. That is between 0 and 1, so therefore it is a compress. I want to use a different color here, so forgive me. This is a compress of 0.0035. The x plus 1 means you're going to the left 1. X squared function minus 1 means I'm going to go down 1. And am I reflected? The answer to that is no, there is none. So immediately let's sketch this. So we are going to go to the left, which is negative, and down, which is negative. So I go to the point -1, -1. I am not reflected, so therefore I am opening up. So since I am opening up, I now have a minimum value at the y-coordinate of -1. And what is the axis of symmetry? X equals h, which is -1 as well. And now I need to find the range. I'm going to read this from bottom to top. I run into this graph at the y value, -1, and I go all the way to infinity. The bracket at -1 means it's included, and I have to have that as the function. Do we all understand problem 1? Problem 10, is not the way we like to see it. We prefer this to look a little bit different. So what you're going to do is simply rewrite this to make it easier for your eyes. So this is going to give you the same thing as -9/5 parenthesis x minus 3 squared minus an 8. So now we do not read the original, we read this one. We should not have two numbers attached by addition or subtraction. I should have a number multiplied by a parenthesis with something at the end. If that is, there's nothing there, it's 0. Okay? So negative means it's reflected over the x-axis. 9/5. The top is heavier than the bottom, so therefore this is a stretch of 9/5. It's bigger than 1. Minus 3 means I'm going to go to the right 3. X squared is my parent function, and I'm going to go down 8 units. So I'm immediately going to sketch this. If I sketch this, the right means +3, down means -8. So I'm at +3, -8, puts me right here. I am reflected over the x-axis, which means I am going to be opening down. With that being said, I have a maximum value at my y value of -8 to give me my axis of symmetry being x equals 3. To then give me my range, I read from bottom to top. I start at -infinity and I go all the way to the value -8. And it can be that value, and I am done. If you guys have questions, please let me know.